Today, we are discussing one of the most formidable pieces of military hardware in the modern era, the T-90 Bhishma tank. This battle tank, a symbol of India's armored prowess, embodies a unique blend of advanced technology, robust design, and battlefield effectiveness. As we delve into the origins, features, operational history, and future prospects of the T-90 Bhishma, we will uncover the significance of this vehicle in shaping modern armored warfare. Background and development. The story of the T-90 Bhishma begins with the evolution of armored warfare during the Cold War era. The T-90 is an evolution of the Soviet T-72, which was first introduced in the 1960s. This tank was designed to counter the growing threat posed by NATO forces and has since become one of the most widely produced tanks in the world. The T-90 was developed in the late 1970s and 1980s, incorporating lessons learned from previous conflicts and advancements in military technology. India's interest in the T-90 began in the 1990s when the need for modernizing its armored forces became apparent. The Indian Army sought a tank that could provide superior firepower, protection, and mobility on the battlefield. In 2001, India signed a contract with Russia to acquire T-90S tanks, which were specifically tailored to meet the operational requirements of the Indian military. These tanks were delivered under the name Bhishma, named after one of the most legendary warriors from the Indian epic, the Mahabharata. The T-90 Bhishma was not merely a copy of the Russian model. It was a carefully adapted version that incorporated Indian specifications and requirements. The collaboration between Indian defense scientists and Russian engineers resulted in a tank that reflects the best of both worlds, merging cutting-edge technology with indigenous insights. Design and features. At first glance, the T-90 Bhishma may appear similar to its predecessors, but a deeper examination reveals a host of advanced features that set it apart. The tank is powered by a V92S2 1000 HP diesel engine, providing it with a top speed of approximately 60 km per hour on paved roads and around 40 km per hour off-road. This power allows the T-90 Bhishma to perform well in various terrains, from deserts to mountainous regions. One of the distinguishing features of the T-90 is its composite armor, which consists of a combination of steel and various other materials. This armor provides enhanced protection against both kinetic energy projectiles and shaped charges. Additionally, the T-90 Bhishma is equipped with the Contact 5 explosive reactive armor, ERA, which further enhances its survivability against modern anti-tank munitions. The integration of this protective technology ensures that the T-90 Bhishma can withstand the challenges posed by contemporary battlefield threats. The firepower of the T-90 Bhishma is another critical aspect of its design. The tank is armed with a 125mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing a range of munitions, including armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot, APFSDS rounds, high-explosive anti-tank rounds, heat, and guided missiles. The inclusion of a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun and a 12.7mm anti-aircraft machine gun further enhances its versatility, allowing it to engage multiple targets simultaneously. One of the remarkable features of the T-90 Bhishma is its ability to fire the 9M119 Reflex Anti-Tank Guided Missile, AGM, through its main gun. This capability extends the effective range of engagement, allowing the tank to strike targets at distances of up to 5 kilometers. This feature not only enhances the tank's effectiveness against armored threats but also provides it with a significant edge in modern warfare scenarios. The T-90 Bhishma is also equipped with advanced fire control systems, including a laser rangefinder, ballistic computer, and thermal imaging sights. These systems provide the crew with the ability to acquire and engage targets quickly, even in challenging environmental conditions. The integration of night vision devices ensures that the T-90 can operate effectively in low-light situations, further enhancing its operational capabilities. Operational history. Since its induction into the Indian Army, the T-90 Bhishma has played a vital role in strengthening India's armored capabilities. Its operational history is marked by participation in various exercises and training programs, showcasing its effectiveness and versatility on the battlefield. The T-90 has been involved in numerous military exercises, both domestically and internationally, demonstrating its prowess alongside other armored vehicles. The T-90 Bhishma has been extensively utilized in training exercises to prepare Indian armored forces for a range of potential scenarios. These exercises have included combined arms operations, where the T-90 has worked in conjunction with infantry, artillery, and air support units. Such training is essential for ensuring that the tank's crew is well-versed in modern warfare tactics and can effectively coordinate with other branches of the military. One notable exercise that showcased the capabilities of the T-90 Bhishma was the Shatrajit exercise, held in 2016. This large-scale exercise involved the mobilization of armored units to test their operational readiness and effectiveness in a simulated combat environment. The T-90 Bhishma, with its advanced features and capabilities, played a crucial role in demonstrating the Indian Army's ability to conduct rapid armored maneuver operations. In addition to training exercises, the T-90 Bhishma has served as a deterrent against regional threats. Its presence on the borders with Pakistan and China has reinforced India's defensive posture, signaling its commitment to maintaining a credible and effective armored force. The tank's advanced capabilities help ensure that India can respond effectively to any potential aggression, thus contributing to regional stability. Technological advancements and upgrades. The T-90 Bhishma is not static in its development. It has undergone several upgrades to enhance its capabilities and extend its operational life. Continuous advancements in military technology necessitate ongoing improvements to ensure that the T-90 remains competitive on the battlefield. One significant upgrade has been the enhancement of the fire control system, incorporating state-of-the-art technology for improved target acquisition and engagement. This includes the integration of advanced sensors, improved ballistic computers, and enhanced communication systems, allowing the T-90 Bhishma to operate in a networked battlefield environment. The Indian Army has also explored the integration of active protection systems, APS, to further bolster the tank's survivability. These systems provide an additional layer of defense by detecting incoming projectiles and neutralizing them before they can impact the tank. Such advancements are crucial in countering modern anti-tank guided missiles and other evolving threats. Furthermore, the T-90 Bhishma has benefited from upgrades to its armor protection. Efforts to improve the tank's composite armor and the addition of newer reactive armor technologies ensure that it can withstand the latest anti-tank munitions. This ongoing modernization effort reflects the Indian Army's commitment to maintaining a cutting-edge armored force. Challenges and limitations. While the T-90 Bhishma is an impressive piece of machinery, it is not without its challenges and limitations. The complexities of modern warfare present a host of obstacles that any armored vehicle must navigate. One significant challenge is the evolving nature of anti-tank weaponry. As technology advances, adversaries are developing more sophisticated anti-tank guided missiles and other weapons that can counter traditional armor protection. The T-90 Bhishma, despite its advanced features, must continually adapt to these new threats to ensure its effectiveness on the battlefield. Additionally, the T-90's performance in extreme environmental conditions can be a concern. While the tank is designed for a range of terrains, including deserts and mountainous regions, extreme heat or cold can impact its operational capabilities. Continuous testing and evaluation in diverse environments are essential to ensure that the tank remains reliable and effective under all conditions. Logistical challenges may also arise, particularly concerning maintenance and spare parts availability. As the T-90 Bhishma is a complex system, ensuring that crews are trained and that parts are accessible is crucial for maintaining operational readiness. The Indian Army must invest in robust logistical support to keep its fleet of T-90 tanks fully functional. Future prospects. Looking to the future, the T90 Bhishma is poised to remain a cornerstone of India's armored capabilities. The ongoing modernization efforts and upgrades are vital for ensuring that the tank remains relevant in an ever-evolving battlefield landscape. As military conflicts become more technologically sophisticated, the T90 must adapt and integrate new technologies to maintain its effectiveness. The Indian Army's emphasis on indigenous development and manufacturing is also noteworthy. As India continues to invest in its defense industry, there is potential for further upgrades and improvements to the T90 Bhishma through local partnerships. This approach not only strengthens India's armored capabilities, but also contributes to the nation's self-reliance in defense production. Moreover, as geopolitical dynamics shift, the T90 Bhishma may play a role in strengthening India's defense partnerships with other nations. Joint exercises and collaborations can provide valuable insights into operational tactics and technologies, enhancing the capabilities of the T90 and the Indian Army as a whole. In conclusion, the T90 Bhishma is more than just a battle tank. It is a symbol of India's commitment to modern armored warfare. Its advanced features, robust design, and operational history highlight its significance as a key asset in the Indian Army's arsenal. As we have explored, the T90 Bhishma represents a blend of tradition and innovation, reflecting the evolution of armored warfare in the 21st century. As we move forward, it is imperative that we continue to invest in the development and modernization of the T90 Bhishma, ensuring that it remains a formidable force on the battlefield. The dedication of engineers, soldiers, and defense personnel in enhancing this tank's capabilities is commendable and deserves recognition.